Hi, and welcome to another episode of It's Always Fun Shopping at Wig Studio One. My name is Andrea, and today I'm going to share with you how to utilize the search function on our website to narrow down some options. To start, I'm going to go ahead and select from the home page wigs. That will take us to either women's wigs. We could select human hair wigs. That will refine it even more. Not all wigs have lace fronts. So you can select from a variety of different collections to kind of narrow down those choices. If I want to start big, I could select women's wigs collection. Now, as you can see, we have over 1,500 products in this collection. That's a lot of wigs. So if you wanted to narrow it down by length, for example, let's say you really only want medium length wigs. You would select the length here, and that is going to give you or reduce it from 1,500 or over 1,500 selections to 463. You can go further to say that you prefer curly hair texture or wavy hair texture. If we select curly, we have 44 total that are medium length and curly. You can also select by hair fiber, cap construction, cap features, and also petite to average or large in head size. Once you have decided, you can go ahead and click on the item and add it to your cart. Or if you've decided that you want to try a different length, you just remove this by clicking the X here, or you can select clear all and you will start over as you originally did with all of the products in the women's wig collection. Once you have made your selection, you just go ahead, click on the product, select your favorite color, and scroll down and add to the cart. You can also decide to keep shopping for another style or select cart to go to your cart and move forward through the checkout process. At this time, all of our coupons are automatically applied at checkout. You can select your form of payment here, or you can select checkout to move forward into the checkout and select your form of payment there. You do want to make sure that you've clicked I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions for returns. If you click on this link here, it will take you to our returns policy so that you can review that in the event that you need to make a return. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you have enjoyed this episode of It's Always Fun Shopping at Wig Studio One, and I hope you have a fabulous day.